Hello and welcome, my name is Shiraz Ahmed, and I'm here to make your document transformation journey seamless. Whether it's PDF to Word images or any other format, I've got you covered. Here is some example how to convert PDF file into editable MS Doc. Using OCR software and my skill I convert into MS Docs. The second page is image file. I mirror the image file into MS Word on same format. This is the third example of image file contain diagrams and text. I transfer the diagrams and text on same pattern as per original document. The fourth and fifth PDF pages layout is different from previous ones. I extract each word and number its format according to original PDF file. Try my work risk-free. I'll create a mock-up to show my skills. Let's collaborate.